Welcome students to sight read lesson number 8. This one is one of the longer ones. It has 20 bars. Um, Read from top to finish, no funny stuff, and it's all on a normal drum or on your lap. So no claps and no sticks. This one is difficult because the notes later on is swimming. I don't know if that makes sense. If you look at this too long, your eyes is gonna get confused somewhere. It happened to me twice, especially in the slow tempos. When you do it quick, then your eyes move quick, and you don't get as confused easily if you play the parts correctly. But at the slow speeds, it's very easy to get confused. Like, where am I now? My tip to you is take it, split it in half. Play the first 10, and like you say, okay, that's easy. Play the second 10, okay, I can do it. Then you glue them together in one long piece. First practice it without any click and without the video of me playing along, so that you can just focus on every individual grouping. So remember, we're not looking at all that million notes. We're looking at the one group at count 1, 2 as its own, 3 as its own, 4 as its own. So don't see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 notes in total. See 4 little groups. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. And then you match that groups with a click in your head. Say for instance, this is your speed. I played now the first 4 bars. Do that first, then you move on. See, okay, let's do the next. That was now 5 and 6. You get the point. So take it step by step at your own speed, at your own reading. Then you put on a click, or you play with my video and see how far you can get. 90, 60, or 60, 90, 120, and 150. 150 in this one is very fun. I enjoyed it so much, but I think I had to record it twice because from here, when I got to bar 15, I almost played this as 8th notes. So my hands was a bit slow here. Because you're used to 16, 16's all over, then there's 4 bars of almost just 8th notes, then you jump back into the 16th. Regarding your hands, play what feels natural. If you want to start with your right hand, right after you play the right hand, you may do so. That will happen sometimes. Sometimes you want to play like here. We're gonna play right, left, right, left, right. Then I'm gonna start right again. Right, left, right. So instead of playing left, right, left, I'm gonna play right, left, right. So that one is a right hand, and that one is a right hand, and it happens naturally. For some of you guys, it feels more natural to play with the left hand first. Remember, I'm forcing you in the beginning to play all the 16th notes with your right hand first, but the left hand may also start some of them. Not that groups, but some of the other notes. So if you start this one with the left hand, it's fine, just so long as it's in speed or in tempo and in place. Okay, so let's listen to it. Not a difficult piece at all. It's just the notes starts to swim after a long while you're watching it or trying to read it. Especially if you're tired. If you're tired and you try this, it's not going to work. Your eyes are going to get drowsy and you're not going to concentrate. You need to take a little 5-minute nap before you practice drums, or do something you relax. Go sit outside and watch the clouds or something. I don't know what you guys do. Don't YouTube or TikTok. That stuff is not good. Okay, but it's good for lessons. Luckily we have YouTube now for these lessons, otherwise we will have nothing. Maybe phone calls. Okay, play with your right hand 2 strokes and with your left hand 1. Imagine that would have been awful. Okay, let's start. rest, 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 rest. Okay, so I also realized this one is the piece with the few rests ever in the first 9 we're doing. After this one, there's the last one. We're not going to do number 10 because if we look number 10, I'm jumping forward a bit, it's almost like a song. So it's 4 times the first line, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rests. So in this 4 bars, or actually 2, 4, 6, 8 bars, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24 rest signs. So we're just gonna sit there and do nothing. So number 10, I'm disregarding. It's not a difficult piece at all. Number 9 is a fun one again. And I hope you enjoy number 8. This is also a fun one because especially at the fast tempo, this stuff gets really fun when you do it fast. So first practice it slow, but then it really feels like you're in a marching band. Say for instance we do it very quick. I made a mistake there again, the same place where I did in filming this. So then it starts like feeling like a marching thing and you can actually put nice rhythms together. Especially like I said in the previous lesson or one of the previous lessons, if we're 4 or 5 different drummers on each one with their own snare or bucket or something, this would sound pretty awesome if you can play it fast. But then our minds need to be there. Okay, see you at lesson number 9, the final one for the first part, and then we'll start with level 2. So this is all been level 1. There's 3 levels. I can't wait for level 3. I think it's going to be very interesting because then we get into the doubles and into the drags. Real marching stuff. Okay,